Hello everyone, this is 𝗕𝗫𝗁, currently a student at Nepal's leading law entrance preparation institute, Plateau Academy of Law. Thank you Plateau for providing me this platform to enhance my talents. Today's topic is the heartful debate on morality and law. The objective of this module is to understand the debate that has been carried out between the positivist 𝗟𝗟 and the natural law theorist Lone Fuller. 𝗟𝗟 is a positivist, so he does not believe that there is a necessary relationship between law and morality. But he acknowledges that there is a close relation between law and morality and does not disagree about the fact that law has been immensely influenced by morality. According to Hart, the law consists of two rules. They are primary and secondary rules. Primary rules are the duty-imposing rules on citizens that have a legal sanction. Secondary rules are power-conferring rules that describe how laws are recognized, adjudicated, or changed. Lone Fuller is a naturalist and he sees law as a way of achieving social order by regulating the human behavior through laws. He believes that the legal systems are derived from the norms of justice which have a moral aspect. He argues that for a law to be valid, it must conform to a certain moral function test. Fuller rejects the positivist approach to law and argues that society goals can be achieved by other norms rather than fully relying on law. This debate also includes the 𝗕𝗓𝗕 case. The debate discusses the verdict rendered by a decision of the post-war West German court. A German woman denounced her husband to the authorities in accordance with the anti-section laws of 1934 and 1938. He made derogatory remarks about Hitler. The husband was prosecuted and convicted of slandering the Führer, which carried the death penalty. Although sentenced to death, he was not executed but was sent as a soldier to the Eastern Front. He survived the war and upon his return instituted legal proceedings against his wife. The wife argued that she had not committed a crime because a court had sentenced her husband in accordance to the relevant law of the time. However, the wife was convicted of illegally depriving other of his freedom, a crime under the Penal Code 1871, which had remained in the force throughout the Nazi period. The court described the Nazi laws as contrary to the sound conscience and sense of justice of all decent human beings, 1951. If we follow the hard positivist views, the decision given by the court was wrong because Hart believes that no matter how heinous the Nazi laws were, they were in accordance with enabling act passed by the Riksdag and were valid. It satisfied Hart's rule of recognition. I find this very disturbing for so many reasons. Fuller, on the other hand, recognized the court's decision because it created respect for law and morality. And by using 𝗕𝗫𝗁, Fuller states that all Nazi laws were illicit. This justifies the court's overlooking of the earlier 1934 Act and upholding the wife's conviction without the courts applying a moral concept in the application of the law. The court would have had to acquit the wife and agreed with Hart, a decision I feel would have been wrong. In conclusion, I believe that there is a necessary connection between law and morality. Although some of the arguments by Hart and positivists is not without its merits, but that is not sufficient to prove law and morality are not connected. Fuller's argument presents the least amount of issues on this topic. Therefore, I believe law and morality are interdependent on each other. Thank you.